Many months ago, my mother sent me a check for my birthday and Christmas and told me to spend it on something I normally wouldn't buy, which I guess is most things in the world. But I decided to spend it on getting one of my great-grandfather's pipes restored. I'd seen several videos on Southland Piper YouTube channel of his restoration work. So I reached out to Tim and asked if he did restorations for other people. He responded back that he does not, but he recommended Briarville Tobacco Pipe Repair and Restoration. So last week I boxed up the pipe and sent it there, and I got it back today. So before I show you what it looks like now, I'm going to put up some photographs here of what it looked like before I shipped it out last week. And here is the pipe after restoration. The stem was frozen in the shank when I sent it. So that's out. It's all polished up. There wasn't much teeth chatter or anything on it to start with, but it's all polished. And the stummel has been polished. The bowl's been reamed. It's a Marksman Jumbo C. So I'm quite happy with that restoration work.